Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties. I'm at the top of the hill. Back in the day, we called this the chalk fields. We're off Crest Road, and it was great motorcycle and bicycle riding, and then they started building homes. So the street now is called Ocean Terrace, and it is all view out there. It's all ocean back behind this. This is like the front row, and then you have the Palos Verdes Land Preserve below. And this home's been extensively remodeled. Super nice. Like, look at these garage doors, are just beautiful. 3-car, they got the smooth stucco, there's the Tesla. Really beautiful doors. I mean, throughout you'll just find awesome stuff with this whole property, like a real entrance. Just amazing. And it's like a cement floor. I'm not exactly positive what this is. Maybe they're tiles, but they got that cement look. It's pretty neat. This is interesting. So it goes down to get into that garage. It's full of stuff. Another Tesla charger. Oh, they have a battery backup, and then another charger for a car. Interesting. Pretty interesting spot here too. Okay, so this room has the giant plank oak, love it, on its way outside. Nice shelving. Since we're here, we'll go up. Hi. Hey. Okay, so a couple bedrooms. So this is like a bedroom wing isolated on this side, so you don't have to worry about the noise of the rest of the house. It's nice. The light comes on as you open the door. Solid doors. Beautiful hardwood. I like the frame, the way they did the ceiling here. So 1, 2, and they each share this bath. Nice. This has got that shower tub enclosure, so it's all right there. You get out of the bath, step into the shower, you're there. It's really cool. Okay, that was neat. So here's our main part of the house here. Look at the ceiling. They did look at acoustic fabric up there. It's pretty cool. And just a giant open area here. This is amazing. Nice backsplash. Beautiful. All right, well, I mean, what a highlight. I love the table. It's massive. This is pretty cool. Once again, the oak fireplace, nice vault, skim ceilings, recessed lighting. But check this. I mean, a giant yard and a big view. You're looking down to the end of the Trump golf course and the point with the surf on either side, BAs or TKGs, and the lower area is the Portuguese Bend Beach Club. You got the Isthmus of Catalina, Avalon. So that's due south. The house faces a little southeast. Just incredible. Huge yard. Really, really neat. Super, super awesome. And looking back, I love the way the floor came out. I think now it is tile, not cement, but this is just a big open area and just absolutely gorgeous. Love the ceiling too, it's high. And all this supports going out to this area here. And what I like here too is the wind doesn't affect this area. You can tell probably from the video that there was wind on the other side. This is warm and just gorgeous. I mean, this is just nuts. Really pretty. Okay, let's look in greater detail here what we got. Dishwasher. Oh.
Two dishwashers. Here and here.
And maple lined. Cushion clothes. Maple lined. This is probably fridge. Freezer. Oh, pull out. That's cool. Pretty neat.
But it's so minimal, clean, and it just doesn't feel.
Okay, well, primary does not suck. We got shades, we got blackout in there. They all come down. Surround sound, nice huge bath. Wow. Trench drain. This is a giant tub. smells good too. Interesting. Wow. Super nice. Really nice. Skim ceilings, all clean. Love the LEDs. It's pretty neat that they have the house side, right, and all the social, and then you're into the bedroom side. Just closets, storage. Love the plank floors. It looks great. Oh, they put a skylight in this bedroom. Back to that same, I love this tile. Double sink, Jack and Jill. Skylight over this bed too. It's like wake up in the morning. Then you have your laundry. And then another big bath. Pretty neat. And the half bath for guests. A lot of room. Pretty special.
Oh, you want it here? You got you.
Just spilled everywhere.
You're good.
Well, super special spot. Oh man, I'd love to work with you on this home because this is just a beautiful area. And what a neat house. I mean, definitely unique and definitely, you know, stuff to share in this area. So if you'd like this view or want to talk about the real estate here in Palos Verdes, please give me a call. Wow, it's just spellbound. I'm mesmerized. Great hiking. This is the Palos Verdes Preserve, and happy to share more with you. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a call anytime. Make it a great day.